Hey everyone, and welcome back to Support Navigator. Today, we're tackling a topic that feels very real and immediate for so many of us, especially during extreme weather, the stress of high utility bills. You know that feeling when you open the envelope and your heart sinks? Whether it's the dead of winter and you're worried about keeping the heat on, or the heat of summer and you can't afford to run the AC, keeping our homes warm or cool shouldn't be a source of financial anxiety. That's why we're going to talk about a powerful resource designed to help, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, or LIHEAP. This isn't just a faceless government program, it's a critical lifeline for millions of families across the country who are struggling to make ends meet and keep their homes safe and comfortable. So, to get started, what exactly is LIHEAP? At its core, it's a federal program that provides financial assistance to low-income households. The goal is to help them cover their heating and cooling costs, preventing them from having to make impossible choices like choosing between paying their energy bills and buying food, medicine, or other necessities. The funding for this program comes directly from the federal government, but here's the key part: it's given directly to individual states and territories to manage. This is a crucial point to remember because it means that while the program is national in scope, the way it's run, the specific benefits it offers, and most importantly, who actually qualifies, can vary quite a bit depending on where you live. Now, let's talk about the big question on everyone's mind: who is eligible for LIHEAP? Just like with many other assistance programs we've discussed, eligibility is primarily based on your household's income level and the size of your household. Each state sets its own specific income guidelines, but they're generally based on a percentage of the federal poverty level. For example, some states might set the limit at 150% of the FPL, while others might go a little higher. It's important to know that you don't necessarily have to be extremely low income to qualify. We've seen that a household with a larger family size, for instance, might be eligible even with a slightly higher total income. Other factors can also play a big role in your eligibility. If you already receive other benefits like SNAP or TANF, or if you have a household member who is elderly, a young child, or has a disability, you might be given special consideration. The absolute best way to know for sure is to check your state's specific rules, which we'll get to in a moment. So what kind of help can LIHEAP actually offer? It's not just about getting a check to pay your bill. The program actually provides a few different types of assistance to address various needs. First, and most common, is heating and cooling assistance. This is direct financial aid. The program can provide a one-time or recurring payment directly to your utility company, which lowers your monthly bill. Or, if you use a different type of energy source, it can help with the cost of purchasing heating fuel like propane, oil, or wood. Second, there's energy crisis assistance. This is for those emergency situations. If you've received a shutoff notice from your utility company or you're completely out of heating fuel, LIHEAP can step in with immediate, emergency aid to prevent a crisis and keep you safe. And finally, there's weatherization and energy-related home repairs. This is a more long-term benefit. In some states, LIHEAP can help pay for things like insulation, new storm windows, or necessary furnace repairs. The idea is to make your home more energy efficient, which lowers your energy costs for years to come. With a clear understanding of what LIHEAP is and who it helps, let's now walk through the application process itself. It might seem a little daunting at first, but it's actually pretty straightforward, and getting the details right can make all the difference in getting approved quickly. Step 1. Find your local agency. Because LIHEAP is managed at the state level, your very first and most crucial step is to find the local office or community action agency that handles the program in your specific area. The easiest way to do this is a quick online search for your state name, LIHEAP. For example, if you live in Texas, you'd search for Texas LIHEAP. The official website you find will be your primary source for all the application procedures, eligibility criteria, and contact information. Always make sure you're on an official government or a trusted nonprofit website to avoid any misinformation. Step 2. Gather your documents. This is a critical step that can significantly impact the speed of your application. Before you even start filling out a single form, take some time to collect all the necessary documentation. You'll usually need proof of identity for everyone in your household. This could be a driver's license, social security card, or birth certificate. Proof of residency, like a recent utility bill, a lease agreement, or a voter registration card. Proof of income for everyone in the household, like recent pay stubs, tax returns, or social security statements. And a recent copy of your utility bill to show the program you're seeking assistance for. Having these ready and organized before you begin will make the whole process much smoother and faster. Step 3. Submit your application. Fortunately, most states offer multiple convenient ways to apply. You can often apply online, which is usually the quickest option. You also have the option to download and print the application form to mail in, or you might prefer to visit a local office in person for direct assistance if you have questions. No matter which method you choose, make sure to fill out every single section completely and accurately. Double-check all the information you've entered before you hit submit or seal the envelope. A complete and accurate application from the start is the best way to avoid unnecessary delays. Step 4. Wait for a decision. Once you've submitted your application, the state or local agency will begin the process of reviewing your information. The waiting time can vary quite a bit, so patience is key here. During this time, the agency might need to reach out to you for additional information or clarification, so be sure to keep an eye on your mail and check your phone. They'll let you know the status of your application with an official determination letter, typically sent to you by mail. Remember, asking for help with your utility bills is nothing to be ashamed of. Programs like LIHEAP exist for a reason, to ensure that everyone, especially our most vulnerable neighbors, can live in a safe, warm, and comfortable home. It's about making sure your family is healthy and secure, and it's a program you've already helped fund with your tax dollars. So, if you're struggling, please don't wait another day. Take that crucial first step and apply today. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you can cover your bills and keep your family safe and warm is absolutely priceless. Thank you so much for watching. We genuinely hope this guide has given you the clarity and confidence you need to find the support you deserve. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful resources just like this one. Until next time, stay safe and stay warm.